name is Sylwia. I work in Manchester in one of the schools in Rochdale, and I want to share with you how do we use exploring geometry with a 9-pin circular geoboard book in our scheme of work. So we start using this in year 7. So you can see here is our year 7, year 8 scheme of work. So some of other titles you could as well recognize the titles of other books from ATM. So we're starting exploring geometry with 6, 9, 12 pin circular geoboard in year 7 when students explore triangles, angles in a triangle. They use as well the circles, the words from circles, and then as well they use the mathematical notation to help them later on. In year 8 we come back to exploring geometry with 9-pin circular geoboard, but this time they focus on quadrilaterals and parallel lines and exploring shapes, and again using the mathematical notation. And then later on, when we talk about circum theorems, we use this book again somewhat at the beginning of year 10. So you can see here an example of year 7 work, when students were asked to write as many things as they notice about a shape. So they encouraged to find the parts of the circle, lines, shapes, and then as well in year 8 when they ask to draw as many different shapes they can see and as well describe them. So it's another example of the work of year 8 students to describe other shapes and find the names and find the angles. And this one is an example of year 10 student. So they work out the different triangles in a 9-pin circular geoboard, which later leads to work out circum theorems. Absolutely amazing resource, and this is another example of the students. And this is an example when they have to explain how to work out step by step, find the angles. So like to thank you. This book is actually fantastic, and it really helps us to plan a scheme of work. Thank you.